All right, language explorers, let's look at this Thursday's Thursday adverb. Yeah, so easily. 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 Something done without much difficulty or stress. I can easily write a book. He easily learns the words. She easily walked up the mountain. Yeah, I easily walked up Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh. Easy. How cool is that? Yeah. I easily walked up the mountain. Yep. They read it easily. Yeah. I wrote the lesson easily. She learnt the words easily. He easily could speak Spanish. Yeah. They easily all followed me. It easily worked. It easily grew. How cool is that? So, he easily wrote it all. Yeah. I easily gave the lesson. Yeah. Here we are. How cool is that? I'm learning Arabic easily. Yeah. I can easily communicate in Spanish. How cool is that? Yeah. Soon they'll easily bake a cake. In the future, people could easily do it. People could easily read that book. People could easily learn the language. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Easily. Yeah. He easily prepared for the meeting. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I easily prepared and recorded the lessons. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Easily. So, can you use easily in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah. And you can find me when you search English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. And you can find me by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.